sa buong mundo. We are in the set of Pepito Manaloto with a very famous scammer, Mang Tommy, and the very famous hot dog eater, Patrick! Meron tayong laro. Ang tawag dito ay Trasketball. Everybody say Trasketball.
Basketball.
And are you ready to rumble?
Yeah.
And I believe your favorite sport is golf?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? Have you ever played basketball in your life?
Yes, I played basketball. And as a matter of fact, John was my partner.
Yeah.
And we
But may
beat
partners.
Art. We beat Art.
There's the Muse. Okay, the Muse will run pa now. Come on.
Cheerleader!
Si Tommy.
Pwede kami.
Hey! Cheerleader! Meron tayong halftime break. Ito na, halftime break.
Cheerleader.
5, 6, 7, 8. Go! Pepito! Go, go, Pepito! Go! Mang Tommy! Go, go, Mang Tommy! Hey! Go! Patrick! Go, 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 Patrick! Hindi siya, Dumpling! Yeah! Dumpling! So sa blue,
Ang
na?
hindi nabubulok. Yes.
Hindi na blue.
I think so. I think so.
So sa green,
Nabubulok.
nabulok.
I know.
Okay?
I know how to win.
How do you win?
I can do it.
Yes! Ito, bago tayo magsimula, meron tayong last messages for each other. Okay, the trash talk segment.
Yes.
Okay. Mang Tommy, what can you say about your opponent,
I
Patrick?
only wish him the best luck.
Yes! Oh, galing ito!
He will need it.
What's the name of the game?
The shade.
What's the name of the game?
Trash kit.
Okay, I have a message for you.
No.
If Tommy can, the trash can.
Oy, wait lang. May message ako
Oh,
kay
may message, may message.
Tommy, I crush you.
Hindi na po talaga may mapalabas ang game part.
Okay, guys, listen. Guys, this is serious game, alright? So all you have to do is to get the trash and put it at the
Right bin.
talaga.
Ready, set, go! Go!
Oh my God. Pwede ba?
Pwede na ba? Basket din ako!
Time's up!
Let's count this.
Okay.
So this should be nabubulok.
Okay.
Paper, tissue paper, nabubulok ba? As per our scientists here in the house, our EMT. Yes. Paper? Yes. Pustiso. Okay, that's 2 points. For Mang Tommy.
Yes.
Okay, fan?
Nabubulok yan.
Nabubulok to?
Yan. Karton.
Yung karton.
Yung karton.
Hindi yung fan.
Hindi yung fan.
Did you thought it was fanning?
Water.
Water break, water break.
Okay, this is not counted, so no point. So we have 2 points. This is not nabubulok. Yes, 3 points. Not 4, not 5, not 6, and 7.
Okay.
Yeah, 6 lang, 6.
So who's the winner?
Minus points ka.
No, not yet. There's no...
Minus 1.
6
minus right minus wrong. So 5 points.
Five.
Okay, let's go to 1 lang to. This is 1 point. This is
Okay.
not nabubulok. And that's 2. 2 points, yes.
Okay.
Nabubulok, karton, 3 points. 4 points. 5.
Tayo, may apat tayo game.
Wrestling! Wrestling! Wrestling!
Guys, I found out that this game is very difficult for you, both of you.
Yeah.
Alright, so you better make bato-bato pick na lang.
Okay, talikuran.
Talikuran.
Bato. You put it up like that. Then you face each other, okay?
Okay.
Bato, pick!
Ay.
Face each other. Face.
I'll take picture.
Master. Yeah. Come on.
Okay.
Yay.
One, two.
Thank you very much to all the fans. Clap our hands.
Thank you.
Oh my God, look what we have here.
Isa lang ang masasabi ko. Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Okay, hindi tayo.
Ayun.
Mas masarap